Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn about the left join. A left join in SQL is a type of join that returns all records from the left table and the match records from the right table. If there is no match, the result is null on the side of the right table. Now, let's look at an example to understand it better. We have two tables, employees and departments. The employees table has three columns, employee ID, name and department ID. And the departments table has two columns, that is department ID and department name. Now you can see that both the table have the common column, that is department ID. But if you look at the first table, that is employees table, you can see that we have employee ID 1, 2 and 3. But in the departments table, we have only department ID 1 and 2. So if you perform a left join, the left table will be fixed, like we will get all the outputs of the left table, but we'll only get the matching outputs of the right table and get null value for the ones that are missing. Now let's look at the resultant table after the left join. The resultant table would look like this. The first table is as it is, but in the right side you can see that we have the matching values for department ID 1 and department ID 2. Since department ID 3 is missing in the right table, we have the values that is null. So that's how a left join works. All records of the left table are included in the result. Matched records from the right table are included. If there is no match, null values are shown for columns from the right table. A left join is useful when you want to keep all records from the left table and bring in related data from the right table, if available. In the next video, we'll see how to perform a left join in SQL. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.